Along with the other features included in the December Pixel feature drop, Google has been rolling out a new update to the Pixel camera application. One returning feature with this update was regaining access to the quick access controls toggle, which allows us to control the white balance, shadows, and brightness after single tapping on the viewfinder. This feature is not enabled by default, but in today's video, I can show you how to easily enable it. This is actually a feature that Google had previously rolled out to the Pixel camera application a while ago. However, for one reason or another, the company decided to remove it in a subsequent update. It's unclear why they did this, but it seems to have been a mistake since they are not mentioning this in the changelog for the latest app update. We can enable this by first tapping on the settings icon in the bottom left-hand corner of the Pixel camera application, and then tap on the More Settings button down here at the bottom right. Then we simply want to scroll through this list until you find the Manual Controls section, and you should see a toggle labeled Quick Access Controls. Again, this feature is disabled by default, but we just need to tap on this toggle to turn it on. I personally prefer to have access to those manual controls after tapping on the viewfinder to bring my subject into focus. So I'm glad to see that Google has finally brought this feature back. I would love to know why the Mountain View tech giant decided to remove this, but I'm glad to see it's back. If you aren't seeing this yet, be sure to check which version of the camera application you're currently running. I had to update the Pixel camera to version 9.7 before that toggle reappeared for me. So as always, it's a good idea to keep your applications up to date so you don't miss out on features like this. But let me know what you think about having manual controls for the Pixel camera application overlaid on the viewfinder like this. I would be curious to learn if that's a feature you enjoy or whether you prefer to have it tucked away behind a menu for one reason or another. And please, remember to like this video while also subscribing to the channel for more Android content like this.